For most of 2024 and 2025, interacting with AI was like using a stubborn vending machine. If you didn't have the exact digital currency, the perfect prompt, you didn't get what you wanted. It was a high-friction experience. You spent your day typing into a sterile text box and waiting for the system to generate a static response. Users were forced into the role of passive operators, bending their own logic to fit the machine's rigid requirements. This graph illustrates the compute wall we hit before the arrival of sub-quadratic scaling. Traditional models became exponentially more expensive as they processed more data, but sub-quadratic architectures, like SubQ-1M Preview, scale linearly. This allowed context windows to expand to 12 million tokens, processing data 52 times faster than older transformers. With 12 million tokens of active memory, the machine can hold the entire thread of a multi-day project in its head. It no longer needs us to speak its language. It has enough context to work entirely within hours. Digital friction has evaporated. This technical milestone enables a suite of capabilities that turn the standard user into a visionary. This shift grants everyday users the authority of a digital director. The first layer of this stack is real-time collaboration. Models like GPT Real-Time 2 allow you to think through problems using reasoning-based voice agents. The delay of the type and wait era is gone. These systems respond instantly, facilitating a natural conversation. Engineers call this the preamble illusion. Pulsing nodes gather data while the voice speaks. When the AI says, it isn't just mimicking speech. That filler provides the exact millisecond needed for background nodes to lock into the data, merging seamlessly. The interaction feels less like querying a database and more like a partner thinking through a problem alongside you. This leads to the second layer of the stack, moving from collaborator to creator. This is Vibe Coding, a 2026 development that moved software creation out of the code editor and into plain language. You can now build functional applications simply by describing them. The AI handles the construction, translating your descriptions into a working interface. Traditional barriers, like managing complex APIs or writing boilerplate documentation, are now handled instantly by the model. Low-cost platforms have brought this capability to a massive scale, allowing anyone with an idea to become a software developer. Descriptive language has become a primary tool for software creation, significantly lowering the technical requirements for building digital products. The final leap in the stack moves you into the role of the manager. This shift is driven by autonomous agents, AI entities that execute complex, multi-step tasks in the background without requiring a constant prompt and response loop. The 2026 Open Human milestone allows these agents to maintain context across all your data. As this diagram shows, the central agent node can pull and route information from your email, Slack, and code repository simultaneously. These agents recently achieved a milestone in cybersecurity, solving a 12-hour human reverse engineering challenge in just over 10 minutes. The AI understands your objectives, maps out the necessary steps, and solves the problem while you are focused elsewhere. In 2026, AI functions as a fluid extension of human intent. The gap between conceptualizing an idea and bringing it into reality has narrowed to almost nothing. The digital world has become a malleable material, and it is your voice that provides the specific instructions that shape it. It is time to leave the operator mindset behind and adopt the perspective of a director. Success in this era is defined by the quality of your direction rather than the limits of the machine.